Or just a bold claim. The NAACP says explicitly here, quote, State Attorney Miss Amira Fox does not like black people, calling attention to the fact she hasn't addressed the Christopher Jordan case. But will this tactic get the answers or the justice the NAACP is vying for? Wink News anchor Annette Montgomery spoke to former police officer and dean of the CSI Academy to find out.
This was State Attorney Amira Fox's response to the NAACP's statement after a lack of answers into the ongoing investigation of Christopher Jordan, a black man shot and killed in his home December 1st.
If we don't stand up, black children yet unborn, your children, my children, will be dealing with this when I'm dead and gone, when it could be addressed right now and made better.
She didn't directly respond to their claim she does not like black people.
Why would she? They didn't put up, and I don't have a dog in this fight. They didn't put up, they made an allegation, but they're not putting up facts. So it's easy to throw out the innuendo.
David Thomas was a police officer for decades, the former dean of the CSI Academy of Florida. He said although he understands the NAACP's passion to figure out the details of this case, that takes time. And he's not sure if bringing race into it is the right tactic as time passes.
If you're going to make the accusation, then you need to support that accusation with facts. Because what happens is, and what has happened for so long, and I'll give you, for instance, black folks have argued and complained that they have been mistreated by law enforcement for hundreds of years. In our community, do we know that? Oh, absolutely. But that flag has been played so much that it has been discounted, and it has no value because everything has always been about race, even when cops are doing the right thing.
Thomas said the details regarding an officer-involved shooting takes time, and he knows from trainings and experience it can be a long time before all of the facts come out.
I've sat there and listened to the investigators talk about how it takes them 6 months to investigate a shooting, and when those facts are handed to her, then she's going to make a decision whether she's going to press charges, convene a grand jury, or whatever she's going to decide to do.
Annette Montgomery, Wink News.
We reached out to the state attorney's office again today to see if Amira Fox wanted to directly address the claim she doesn't like black people. She sent us the statement she sent yesterday saying, despite the reckless and irresponsible comments of the NAACP, I will meet with them when the time is appropriate. The NAACP plans to protest outside her office on Friday.